Understanding, moved beyond words. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase in the English language, moved beyond words. It's a beautiful expression that you might come across in books, movies, or even in everyday conversations. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just its meaning but also how to use it in your own conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, moved beyond words, is used to describe a situation where someone is so emotionally affected, touched, or overwhelmed that they find it hard to express their feelings in words. It's often associated with profound experiences, such as witnessing a breathtaking piece of art, experiencing an act of immense kindness, or being part of a deeply emotional moment. To better understand the phrase, let's break it down. Moved. This refers to being emotionally affected or stirred. Beyond. Here, it means more than or exceeding. Words refers to the spoken or written form of communication. Put together, moved beyond words suggests an emotional state that surpasses what can be easily communicated through language. To grasp the concept even better, let's look at a few examples. 1. After watching the heartwarming reunion of the long-lost family, I was moved beyond words. 2. The community's support for the shelter was so generous, the director said she was moved beyond words. 3. Seeing the sun rise over the mountains left me moved beyond words. These examples highlight situations of strong emotional impact, where feelings are so intense that words fall short. When you want to express that something has deeply touched you but find that words aren't enough, you can use this phrase. It's perfect for personal stories, emotional revelations, or when you want to convey the depth of your feelings without specifying the exact emotions. Remember, it's a powerful expression, so it's best used in situations that truly warrant its depth. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of moved beyond words. It's a beautiful way to express deep emotions and connect with others on a profound level. Next time you're overwhelmed by beauty, kindness, or love, remember this phrase. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more lessons like this. See you in the next video.